All right, guys. What's up, everyone? Today, first of all, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also, if you're returning subscribers, do well to like this video, share it to your friends, and also comment down below. While the newcomers can as well subscribe, like, share, and also comment. So, first of all, I just want to share my analysis on this pair, this crypto pair called TOMO USDT. So right now, as you can see, um let me do my top down analysis first of all from the weekly time frame. So as you can see right now, this pair has been ranging on the weekly time frame. So but inside this ranging, I think we should find our trend. So our current candle is bearish, and then let's go over to the daily time frame and see. This trend is bearish despite it was bullish before, and also we started seeing some kind of ranging patterns here from top to bottom, from top to bottom, from top. Now we see the top and expecting it to go to the bottom, but right now you can see that the market is somewhere around this zone, like a minor support inside the range. So now I have marked it out. So let's go back to the weekly time frame and see what this thing look like on the weekly time frame. As you can see here on the weekly time frame, it was like a low. This is like the recent low. This is like the recent low on the higher time frame. So market has come to test the recent low. So it's our duty now to check if market is going to respect this low before continuing up, or break this low and then come back to this support, this other support here. This is our other support. Yeah. So without further ado, I think we should go down to the lower time frame and see. So right now, as you can see, the first candle on this daily time frame break into this low. It tap into this low. Look at the low here. It tap into this low and then retested back and close inside. So that's it. It closed inside. And so another candle on the daily time frame tap inside, like we can see I think is it a doji or what, like a change of character. Yeah, an indecision candle. Yeah, this is a doji candle. It's looking like a doji, but I think it's a doji candle despite my screen. So I think this is a doji candle. So doji simply means indecision. So I think the candlestick tap inside and then close inside. It was respecting this low. It was like respecting this low. So I think this low is going to hold. But currently now, this current daily candle is below it. So we don't know if it will close below or still close above. This is our support, which is the weekly low, the weekly recent low. So the candle is trading below it, so we don't know, and we are still waiting for confirmation so we can long. So now this is it on the daily time, on the forward time frame. As you can see, the forward time frame is bearish. The forward time frame is bearish, and as you can see right here, we are having some kind of a small counter trend line here. A small trend line here. Look at the trend line. I marked my first low and second low, and also I am waiting for the third touch before I can long, or maybe a retest of this support that just broke. It can retest it to resistance, retest of it before we see a dump to the next support, or to the next zone. But now I think this are seeing some kind of a strong pattern here, which is telling me that this side is going to hold. But let's wait, let's be patient to see how this current daily candle will close. Let's be patient to see how this current daily candle is close. First one close where it closed below inside it. Second one dissenting decision, but that is not enough for us. This current one is still above, it's still active, so we don't know how it if it will retest, because if it retests, this support will turn to resistance, and then we'll write it down to the next the next zone here, which is this area here. So no, we are still watching. So let's go down to our 1 hour time frame. So this is it on our 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we have our low here, the first low, second low, and expecting a third low before we see a push up. And also we still have another first high, second high, and third high, which we are still expecting a breakout. So these two trend line, we are waiting for one to break. But normally we are seeing some kind of a triple top here. A triple top, first touch, second touch, third touch. Look at it. First touch, second touch, and then the third touch. Let me highlight it for you guys on a horizontal box. Look at the triple top, which indicates stability. Like third touch indicates change of trend, stability. That means it is possible that this trend is going to change from this bearish to bullish, and then come back to this our zone here, because this is where we are targeting, or maybe here. But based on our top-down analysis, we are expecting it to come to this area. But let's just put it here. Yeah, we are expecting it to come to this area. But in order to be in the safer side, we should be targeting this area here. And then we watch out if it will break and go to the next zone. So now this is our triple top. And mind you, it is happening on a weekly low. So I think we might even come to this zone. Because this is from a weekly zone. So we might even come to this zone. So this zone will be a stronger zone. So I don't think this zone will give us this kind of small move. So let's just be careful and then watch out. So remember to take profit as you're riding on. So now as you can see, we have first touch, second or third touch, which is like a confluence that this trend is starting to end. It is beginning to end. So I think the nice thing is to enter from here, which is the third touch, and then long it to either here, which is your take profit 1, or here, which is your take profit 2. Or maybe we wait for it to break out to this zone. Remember, this is our zone now on the weekly time frame that we are waiting for. Remember, the daily candle close is still currently inside. We don't know if it will close outside. Sorry, it's still currently outside. We don't know if it will close inside. That is what we are seeing. But on the lower time frame, is giving us a switch pattern, the triple button. To give, lower time frame helps you to get the sniper entry. It's not telling us that, okay, this is a triple top. That means we have seen the future of that daily candle. It must close inside. But nobody knows. Yes, nobody knows. But I think it must close inside because you're seeing a triple button. So if you don't have the mind to enter now, you are still waiting for a clear confirmation. That means you don't want to be aggressive. You wait for it to break out of this zone right here. Break out of this zone. Before you decide to long to this zone, or maybe to the next zone, you understand. So that is it. So now currently I think we should buy this pair TOMO USDT. Should be longing it. This is from here. This is my entry. SS should be below here. TP1 should be here. But let me take it to TP2. So I'll be active and be very careful. Once we get to this zone, we'll know how far. So so I think this is it. Enter at current market price. make sure you risk what you can afford to lose. Apply proper risk management. Put your SL below this area here, below this low here. Below this week. That's your SS should be. Your SL should be below that week. And then enter at current market price. Market can still come and test this our zone again and break the trend line and then move up. Nobody knows. So I think so. This is our buy setup on TOMO USDT. So that's all for today. Remember our setup on Solana. Let me show you guys the Solana setup. Wow, it breaks above. So no confirmation for us to enter. Let me go over to the 15 minutes time frame. Remember, as I analyzed today, earlier this morning, I said we should wait for a confirmation, but there was no confirmation. Thank God we did not place any limits. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. I was waiting to show down like a double top. So that's it. I think that's all for now. So I think we should be waiting more. Remember, I analyzed this pair currently, like on the 2nd of November. I said it was going to go up. This is the Solana. I said it was going to go up, like to go to 58k. Let me show you guys. This is my red horizontal zone, but let me show you guys. So this is it. This is my group. Look at it here. I said more buys to come on Solana. Look at the arrow. I targeted this red horizontal zone. Now it has broken the red horizontal zone. Alright, I'm coming. Let me just go back to my trade event and see. Let me see what next. And the buys, they buy like God. Solana is so bullish, I swear. Akachi, Solana is so. Let me check something. Oh, 2 missed call. The fuck, bro? Called me corner. It's about 9 to 14. All right, so let's go back. So this thing is pumping. I'm going to buy now. It's going up. So let me go and see my Solana. Okay, as you can see on the weekly time frame also, because that was on the 2nd of November. It was like a swing spot setup, not a feature signal, like a spot signal. Here you can hold. Remember on the 2nd of November to the date, how many days now? Like 8 days. So this is it. It has already broken above it. So I will update you guys on the group very soon. So alright, so for those of you that are new here, and you can go to the link in the description board. You will see the link to my WhatsApp group. Is free. Try and join. It is free, so you can also learn and also get info concerning trade signals. We have 2 groups, airdrops, and one is for the airdrops and the other one is for futures, forex, and sports trading signals. So that's it for Solana. So it's still pumping hard, and I missed this entry normally. I was waiting for the short. I was waiting for the short this zone, thinking that it is going to break this trend line, but no confirmation. This bullish candle close above it, so it is clear that the buyers are so strong. So I think that maybe by now we'll be seeing some kind of a price action. After I analyze this TOMO, I'll see some kind of a price action, then I'll place the two trade at once. But right now, thing just kick off now, so we'll leave it. And that's why you need to like wait for trade to come to your zone and look at that sense zone, wait for price action, wait for candlestick reaction, then you wait for the confirmation entry. Despite you have your confidence and everything, watch out for candlestick. Anything can happen on its own, it can break and retest. So right now we'll still be looking for long, yeah, to the next zone. I think what's the next zone? This area 76, but I think we should be waiting for a retest so we can long it to this 76. But I think we have some kind of minus zone around it. Now this 76 is still far. Let's see if we have another zone around this area. It's still that 76. So guys, the 76. This is the swing setup where you can long it of features, use high margin and low leverage, apply proper risk management. You can also buy spots and then long it to $76. It is going to $100, $120, I mean $144, because we also spot another support, another resistance here, like another zone there. Okay, let's go back to our TOMO. So this is our TOMO. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. I confused though. That pair don't drop. This triple button is giving us a I'm entering this trade. So this is the setup on this pair. Apply proper risk management, use your head, don't be greedy, take profit as soon as possible, either a TP1 or TP2. Also do your own analysis, and then you can still wait for it to break out this zone, this resistance, which is the weekly support. You can still wait for it to break it out, and then you long. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and till next time. So if you are new here, subscribe, please. I am planning to reach 1k subscriber before the end of this year. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video to your friends, and then like this video, comment down below. Recommend this channel to your friends also, in case you have a friend that is looking for a channel where they analyze live crypto chart or live crypto or forex charts. Just recommend this channel to them. Instead, they will see the live one, not back testing. They will see what will likely to happen. You can also share your own view on the comment section. Join my WhatsApp group, learn together with your other traders. I think we have almost 120 members on the WhatsApp group. So that is it for today. I think tomorrow I'll be updating you guys on this same pair, or maybe on any different pair that I see a clear setup. Thank you guys for watching, and okay. Alright guys, till next time.